Credits to the College Board for the material. I will revise quiz 4, transitions quiz 4. The first question. In 1873, Spanish scientist observed, this is past simple, observed that brain fibers have distinct boundaries with clear points. يبقى this is what happened in 1873. The brain fibers have distinct boundaries with clear end points. A finding that went against earlier assumptions about the brain. Go to the next sentence. The next sentence, scientists had assumed that the brain was, previously, that the brain was a continuous web with fused fiber. Well, continuous web, fused fibers versus boundaries with clear points. I will not go through the meaning. This is scientific. I will go grammar. This is what is the tense here? The tense here is past perfect. When do we use the past perfect? We use the past perfect if we have two actions in the past. If we have two actions in the past, the first, or what happened first, should be in the past perfect. What happened second should be in the past simple. So what is action number one? Action number one, this is action number one, past simple. Here, this is past, this is action number two. But what happened first? El past perfect. اللي هو action number one. يبقى I have to choose previously. El past perfect. يبقى هما زمان كانوا فاكرين ان هو continuous web، ان هو fused. Then in 1873 لقوا ان هو ده ليها distinct boundaries وفي clear end points، ما هياش continuous ولا هي fused. لكن الايديا هنا ان انا عندي two verbs، واحد في past simple واحد في past perfect. What's the difference between the past simple and the past perfect? The past perfect happened first. اللي حصل الاول ده، هما كانوا فاكرين الاول ان البرين ده continuous وداخلين في بعض، عشان كده بقول previously. وطبعا برضو في كلو تاني earlier. Let's move to the next question. For years, biologists, this is the present perfect. 4 years, present perfect, have experimented. So this action happened in the past and continued for an extended time. For years. That's why this is the present perfect. Have experimented with using a type of bacteria rather than chemicals. So they used bacteria, not chemicals, to clean artworks. What about the results? The results were impressive. So the bacteria proved to be better than the chemicals to clean artworks. This is the first part of the sentence. These bacteria, forget about the anything between two commas. But here it's clear, without creating harmful. He is extending on the first sentence. No harmful things have proven more effective than the traditional اللي هو الchemicals. So this is the claim at the very beginning. The claim is that bacteria are better than chemicals to clean artworks better than chemicals, that's the traditional cleaning method. So in the second sentence I need to support this claim because both of them are related, because in the second sentence he proved that the bacteria do not harm the artwork and the bacteria are more effective than the chemical cleaning methods. How can I support this claim? By proving, but is there a contrast between both of them? Am I adding something new in choice D? No, it's the same. Cause and effect. Cause and effect. Here, this is not a cause and effect relationship. Here I say it's positive, and here I say it's positive. So it's not cause and effect. It's the same. That's why I will go with in many cases, because I want to support the claim that in many cases the bacteria prove to be better than the chemicals. Third question. Instead, likewise, finally, additionally, in 1968, the Joan introduced the bell. Introduced the bell. This is the first thing to establish whatever. The bill didn't make it to a vote, but he was determined. He teamed up with people, the first black woman to be elected, and they resubmitted the bill every session. So that's their determination. They didn't give up. They fought to pass the bill, to make the bill to a vote. So they continued to do so. They resubmitted the bill every session for the next 15 years. What about in 1938? The process started 1968, and after 15 years, what happened? The bill passed. So what would be the best answer? Yes, finally.